Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important example where we will learn how to use Angular pipe for slicing and for title case. Okay. Prior to this session, we talked about the lowercase and uppercase pipe of Angular, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we are going to talk about the another pipe that we can use in order to convert the text into title case. Now what is title case? This thing we will discuss in this session. We will see one practical example to apply the title case pipe, and then after once it is clear, then we will move for the slice pipe of Angular. Okay, but before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular pipes. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to add here is the module, because to use any pipe or any directive, you have to import the module, right? So here in this case we will go to app.component.ts file. In this TS file, in import section, we will write the name of the module which will provide us these pipes, and the module name is common module. I'm sure those who referred the previous session, they know about this module, because this module we also imported at the time of directive related sessions, right? Okay, so this module is imported. That means now this line is added into your code, and if it is added, that means now you can easily utilize the pipes into your Angular program. So if you take your mouse cursor here, you will see that exports all basic Angular directives and pipes such as ngf. So here it is mentioned that all directives as well as pipe, and for now we are just focusing on the pipe part. Okay, so this common module is added. That means now we can utilize the pipes. Okay, so now let's go to app.component.html file. Here we are already getting this heading, which is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. So let's add another heading which will show the topic name. So here I will simply write title case and slice pipe in Angular. So this is our main agenda. Okay, so once it is added, now you can go to app.component.ts again, just expand this class, and in this class we will put the name of the variable, let's say title1. Let me correct it, title1. Now in this title1, what we are going to do, we are going to put some text. Suppose I have stored it as text Sharmit in all small letters. Okay, now our requirement is that, let's put semicolon first. Now our requirement is that we want to convert this text into title case. So let's make it simple for you. Suppose we are we are preparing one website. On that website we are taking the title name from third-party program or third-party tool. So we are not sure like what values we are getting here. So it should be converted automatically to the title case. Doesn't matter if it is in a small case, capital case, or anything. Okay, so to implement such thing, what we will do, we will simply write this thing here, and now let me show you first as it is. So ng serve -- open, enter. It will take few seconds and then it will open the browser. So browser is open. Now you can see we have got the required two heading, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit, title case and slice pipe in Angular. Now next what we will do, we will simply print these values as it is. Okay, so let's add the paragraph. Here we will write title1 without pipe. Okay, then colon, and then in double curly braces we will put the title1. Perfect. So let's save it and refresh it. So you can see here it is coming as it is. We have not applied the pipe yet, right? Now to apply the pipe, what you can do, we can simply add another example. I'll just show you another thing so that you can compare it. Okay, so here we noted down like this, title1 with title case pipe. Okay, title case pipe, and then you can put the title1 inside this curly braces, title1. Okay, title1, and it should be curly braces, not like this, it should be curly braces. Perfect. So this is added, but again it is still a normal variable, so we will add the pipe operator here, and after a pipe operator we will put the name of the pipe, that is title case. So just simply write title case, save it and refresh it. So now you can see this text is coming with a title case. That means each word of the each first letter of the word is a capital letter, and this is how we write the titles, right? So text Sharmit. Now another interesting thing, like if you change the text to, let's say, capital letters, so if we change it to capital letters, still it will act similarly. And now you can see original text is capital tech and then Sharmit, but the title case text is in title way. That means first letter is capitalized. Clear? So I think this part is clear. Now we will talk about the another important pipe of Angular, that is slice. Now slice pipe is mainly used to fetch a particular portion from a string or maybe from arrays or anything. So for example, let me add the title2 just to explain this thing in a proper way. Suppose we have this variable, and here we have noted down the text Sharmit podcast, okay, and just save it. So from this text, what I want to do, let me print it first. P. So here I will write title2 without pipe. Okay, so firstly we will print the title2 without pipe. So here I will simply write title2. So it will look like this. Okay, now our requirement is that we want to fetch these three characters only, not the entire string but these three characters. So for that, what we can do, we can simply put P here, and in this P we will write title2 with slice pipe. So basically what we are supposed to do with slice, let me show you. Here I will write title2 double curly braces and now pipe operator. Syntax is like this. Firstly the value where you want to apply this, then you can put pipe operator, then you have to write slice. After this slice we will put colon and start position. So I want to start it from the 0th position. Okay, and then we will provide another colon and then the end position, so let's say 3. Now you can save it and refresh it. So you can see from 0 to 3 it fetched that that particular string and paste, like now that string is displayed or populated because we are using the slice. Now if you change the value, let's say from 3rd to I make it as let's say 10, save it, so it is coming till here, or let's say make it as 8 only. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, now I'm sure like most of you have already like you have noticed that somewhere the slice is utilized only with the one parameter. Yeah, that is also true. In that case, what will happen, like if I removed one thing, so what it will do, it will start from 8th position and after that it will pick the entire thing. Okay, so you can see the Sharmit podcast is coming as a sliced in value, because after 8 is the beginning position and after 8 whatever is there, it will be considered for this slice operation. Okay, so I think now this part is clear to all of you, like how we can utilize the slice operator, and as per your requirement you can make the changes here, like if you want to extract, like there are other ways also through which we can utilize it. I'll show you in the next session like how we can utilize it with arrays and other related things. Okay, but for now, like we just discussed how to use the title case and slice with the basic string. Okay, so see you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.